Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at DannyGSThoughtForToday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Being optimistic. There's always a bright side to the story, no matter how difficult or chaotic your world may seem. You must find a way to focus on the optimistic story rather than the pessimistic story. Perception is the eye of the beholder. Just ensure you choose a happy ending with a meaningful and purposeful journey. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things that you're grateful for from yesterday. So if you can and are able, please close your eyes and think of those things right now. I am grateful for a family visit. I'm grateful for the beautiful dinner we had. And I'm very grateful for the thing my wife did. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.